Did you know that AI is expected to replace up to 83 million jobs in the next 5 years? It's a reality we can't ignore. But here's the good news. While AI is changing the job landscape, it's also creating new opportunities. And digital marketing is at the front line. The Advanced Digital Marketing course includes all modules of the diploma course along with AI tools, which is a gateway to a future-proof career. What you'll get: 36 plus live projects, 70 plus digital automation tools, 12 industry recognized certifications, 6 months of paid internship opportunities, 100% job assurance after course completion. Earn a certificate from National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC, a Govt of India undertaking which will boost your resume. Ready to start your career? Enroll now in the Advanced Digital Marketing course and build a career in digital marketing field.